this table has to do with what is going on in Israel, unfortunately politics, but also a lot to do with signs before Messiah, before Mashiach. As our rabbis tell us that a lot of negative things will happen, especially hatred, argument with scholars, people are learning Torah, and we know quite well that they want not to mobilize yeshiva boys to take them to the army from Torah, and we know that Torah is the foundation of the world. So no doubt that what we see now, it is clear sign, one can say, that before Mashiach. So let us see the table about it and realize it's an interesting thing how these things really have to do with the times that we are living now. As we said, mobilization of scholars, this is a decree, and as we said, as Rabbi says, it is very dangerous to the people. Now let us see what we have in the table. So in the table we have the following. We have first the words, the expression. In Hebrew it is called Gzerat Agiyus, the decree of mobilization, the yeshiva boys of Torah learning people. So here is the word, here you can see the word Gzerat, which is a decree, and then comes Agiyus. Agiyus, since it is very long sentence, so it will not come in one skip. So you have really this coming in best meeting, the book of Deuteronomy, which against our thousands, and we see Gzerat Agiyus. Now what we see here more. Now what we see, interesting, we see Mashiach even twice. Mashiach once here, Mashiach twice, because we know Mashiach ben David, Mashiach ben Yosef. So, interesting example to what we said, that we are really this sign which is negative, unfortunately, decree, which is very severe, and even is written that it is a threat of assault, disaster. And already the snow, as Kabbalah said, was a result of this decree. So who knows what can be? We have Iran now, we have other troubles which can come. Now, who are the party which causes problems? Is the party of Lapid. The name of the party is really Yesh Atid. You cannot see it in one verse, but you have Atid. They say there is a future, but this future definitely can bring only disaster. Now, the name of this person is really Lapid. Interesting, you have Lapid, and his first name is Yair. So in fact, you have the Yud, which is like Lapid Yair, and then you have his first name Yair. You can see Yair with Lamed, with his surname Yair Lapid. Interesting. So clearly indicates this fellow really is a troublemaker to this. Now looking more into it, we see Netanyahu. Look, Netanyahu is the prime minister, and he allowed this person to do these problems. So it's written that Memshal Netanyahu, and clearly written, Mamrim Haitem im Hashem, you are really rebels against God, you are rebelling against God. Really frightening. So, really important table. Let us really hope that realizing that everything is the Torah and the threat of these things will bring us to do repentance, to come back to the ways of the Torah, and soon we'll have Mashiach coming soon in our time.